Craving a burger? Make it with 95% lean ground beef. You can get away with eating these cuts once or twice a week, but remember to keep your portion size small. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller. I've got a tip for you if you love red meat. Choose the right cuts, and by that I mean the leanest cuts are your healthiest choice. How can you spot those at the supermarket? Look for cuts labeled round, shoulder, strip, and tenderloin. T-bones are also a lean choice. Flank steak is another lean cut. It's great on the grill, especially if you marinate it. Extra lean cuts include top and bottom round, eye of round, and bottom round roast. These are cuts with less than 3 grams of fat per ounce. Craving a burger? Make it with 95% lean ground beef. You can get away with eating these cuts once or twice a week, but remember to keep your portion size small. About 3.5 ounces or the size of a deck of cards. I'm Dr. Miller. For more ways to nourish your good health, check out all our smart tips right here.